I'm gonna try to take a dropshipping store from $0 to $1,000 a day with my laptop and a phone. And of course a product which I will explain to you guys shortly. Now most people watching this probably already know how dropshipping works. We will get a product for cheap from a supplier and then sell it for more on our own store. And then of course we have to drive traffic to that product by advertising it, but I will show you guys later how we'll do that. But our first step is to find a winning product. Now the simple approach that I've been doing for the past months that is way better than just searching up products on TikTok is by going to this tool called AutoDS. I basically scrolled through this section with thousands of winning products and wrote down a lot of them. And after that I also went into the video ad section and looked for what kind of products were trending on TikTok right now. The great thing about this is you can filter it by popularity and with that see the best performing video ads on all of TikTok. So one product that really stood out to me was this glow lamp. It was basically getting millions of views on TikTok and I've seen other similar lamps get a lot of views and also drive a lot of sales. And this one was even cooler than all of these other lamps. So on AutoDS I went on the product and then scrolled down and clicked on this competitor to see how a competitor's store looked like that was already making a lot of money with this, and we could definitely do something like this. AutoDS is definitely the best tool when it comes to finding a winning product, and they also have a lot of other tools, like for example it can build you a store by just some simple mouse clicks. So if I were you, I would definitely check out AutoDS and I will leave a link down below, and if you sign up through that link you get a 30-day free trial. So now that we had a really good product that was going viral everywhere, it was time to build a good store for it. So I went to Shopify and created a new store, and the first thing I had to come up with was a name. So I went straight to ChatGPT and asked it for good names. It came up with a bunch of names and I just chose Radiant Rays as my name. Not one of my most favorite names, but it will do. Then I went on with creating a nice description and also swapping out the product images. For the product images, I just downloaded some I found on the internet and then I put them on a different background. And for the description, I basically again used ChatGPT and it just wrote me something. Now of course if you just get text straight out of ChatGPT it can sound really artificial, so I'd always recommend changing some parts about it. So that's what I did, and then I also found some nice images to put in my product description and even added a GIF. Now for the pricing, I came up with pricing the product at $45 and then also adding a fake discount. Now that I had all the product details made, I went straight into the Shopify editor. Then I changed this color into this purple color and also changed the background to be dark, because I just feel like for this lamp that brightens up your room, a dark color as background fits really well. Then I of course also changed some menu settings and deleted some sections, but then I came to the most important part, which was adding reviews to my store. So I basically just got this product review app, added it to my store, and then the store was pretty much finished. So this is what the finished store looked like, just pretty simple but clean, and this will definitely perform well. We even got the social credit in there, which is a must, so really good. Now that we had product and store figured out, we came to the most important step, which was the marketing. I chose to run this product with paid ads, and that's why I needed 3 really good creatives for my campaign. I could have went through the hassle of just ordering the product from Amazon, then recording some videos with it myself, editing everything, but I chose to go with the better method, which was to go to Viral Ecom Ads. Viral Ecom Ads is the biggest ecom ad creative company out there, and they basically do everything I just said. So I basically went onto their website and got this TikTok split testing package. And quick little tip, before you order it, I would definitely join the VIP program, because then it will just be $12 for the 3 ad creatives, which is a steal. So I ordered mine, and a couple of days later I got the ad creatives, and they were really good. And I'm not the only one in the ecom space that thinks that their ad creatives are the best, because also people like Biohazard or Jordan Welch have used Viral Ecom Ads in the past. So it's definitely worth checking out if you do ecom. So I will leave a link in the description down below and you can get a discount through that link. So with my banger ad creatives, I then went on to TikTok and created a new campaign. I made the objective conversions and then just left everything blank and went to the next page. Then I selected my pixel and I also made sure to only choose TikTok for the ad placement. And of course I also turned off the comment section. Now as I almost always do, I targeted the UK but left everything else pretty blank, so it was a really broad campaign. Then I of course uploaded my ad creatives that I had gotten from Viral Ecom Ads and then also wrote a nice little call to action. And after that I launched the campaign. Now the next day it started spending and we made our first 2 sales from a $50 ad spend, which really wasn't even that bad. Now the day after we made 3 sales from the $50 ad spend again, which was really good, so I decided to increase the budget to $100 a day ad spend. Now the next day on this entire ad budget, it was looking even better because we made a total of 7 sales. Now we ended the week with 21 sales totaling in almost $1,000. But of course this wasn't all profit because we gotta extract the ad cost and also the product cost. So if I quickly do some quick maths, this comes out to a profit of around $320. Now of course this is not my first store and I see improvements from every store to next store. So I will definitely call this challenge a complete success. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and with that said, I will see you guys in the next challenge video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.